Welcome to Quiet Wild Stories. Here, we explore the hidden lives of animals, their strange adaptations, quiet resilience, and gentle beauty. Subscribe to the channel and join our journey. As evening settles over ponds, marshes, and rainforest streams, a familiar chorus begins to rise. Soft croaks, gentle chirps, and melodic calls echo through the twilight. Hidden among lily pads and reeds, one of nature's most remarkable creatures is beginning its day. This is the secret life of the frog. Frogs have lived on Earth for thousands of years, surviving and adapting to nearly every corner of the planet. Today, more than 7,000 species inhabit every continent except Antarctica. From tropical rainforests and mountain streams to backyard ponds, frogs have become masters of life both in water and on land. One of their greatest secrets begins long before adulthood. Unlike mammals or birds, frogs undergo one of nature's most astonishing transformations. A female lays hundreds or sometimes thousands of jelly-like eggs in the water. Soon, tiny tadpoles emerge. At first, they look nothing like frogs. They breathe through gills, swim with tails, and feed mostly on algae. But over the following weeks, something extraordinary happens. Legs begin to grow, lungs develop, their tails slowly disappear. In one of nature's greatest makeovers, the tadpole transforms into a young frog, ready to explore life beyond the water. Adult frogs are built for hunting. Their powerful hind legs allow many species to leap distances more than 20 times their own body length. Large webbed feet help them swim with ease, while sticky toe pads enable tree frogs to climb smooth leaves, branches, and even glass. Perhaps their most famous hunting tool is their tongue. A frog's tongue is attached near the front of its mouth rather than the back. When prey comes within range, the tongue launches outward in a fraction of a second. Its sticky surface captures insects before they even have time to react. The tongue then snaps back just as quickly, delivering the meal in the blink of an eye. Most frogs feed on insects, spiders, worms, and other small invertebrates. Larger species may even catch small fish, birds, or rodents. By consuming enormous numbers of insects, frogs help naturally control pest populations and play an essential role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Frogs also have remarkable skin. Unlike reptiles or mammals, they don't rely solely on their lungs for breathing. Many species absorb oxygen directly through their moist skin, especially while resting underwater. This unique adaptation makes frogs extremely sensitive to changes in their environment. Clean water and healthy habitats are essential for their survival. Communication is another fascinating part of frog life. The familiar nighttime chorus is usually performed by males calling for mates. Each species has its own unique call, allowing frogs to recognize one another even when many different species share the same wetland. Some calls are deep and booming. Others sound like chirps, whistles, or even gentle trills. Although frogs may seem defenseless, many possess remarkable survival strategies. Some rely on camouflage, blending perfectly with leaves, bark, or muddy pond bottoms. Others display brilliant colors to warn predators that they are toxic. Certain tree frogs can even glide from branch to branch using the webbing between their toes. Today, however, frogs face serious challenges. Habitat destruction, pollution, disease, invasive species, and climate change have caused populations to decline around the world. Because frogs are so sensitive to environmental changes, scientists often consider them important indicators of ecosystem health. When frog populations begin to disappear, it may signal that something is wrong with the environment long before other animals are affected. Protecting wetlands, forests, and clean waterways helps ensure these remarkable amphibians continue their ancient life cycle for generations to come. The next time you hear frogs calling after a summer rain, take a moment to listen. Beneath those familiar sounds, hidden among the reeds, lives an animal whose story began hundreds of millions of years ago. A master of transformation, a guardian of healthy wetlands, and one of nature's most extraordinary survivors. For more peaceful journeys into the hidden lives of wildlife, subscribe to Quiet Wild Stories, where every animal has a story waiting to be discovered.